Hi guys, in this video I will show you in just few minutes how to download and install any version of Python in your Ubuntu computer. So let's get started. Before starting this process, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Now this method is going to work on any Ubuntu distro, whether you are using Linux Mint, Kubuntu, Lubuntu, and normal Ubuntu, or any other Ubuntu distro that you are using. This method is going to work for you. Now what I want to point out here is that if you are using Linux operating system, what you have to understand is that Python is already installed on your computer. In fact, it comes directly full packaged with that operating system that you are using. In order for you to check that Python is already been installed on your operating system, your Linux operating system, click on your terminal like this for it to open. And once this open, go ahead and type Python like this. As you can see here, immediately we type Python and hit on enter, you can see this that Python 2.7 was installed and is the default for this Linux operating system. In fact, this is not the only Python version that is installed on this Linux operating system. Python 3 version is also installed, and in order for you to check that, let us first of all exit this out and type Python 3 like this and hit on it. As you can see here, Python 3.6.7 is also installed on this computer. But if you check out the latest version of Python, of course what we are going to install in this video is a Python 3.9.7, and we don't want to use Python 3.6. So how can we do that? In order for us to install the version of Python we want, we will go ahead and check out the steps of what we will do. Okay, so I would exit this first. Exit this. Okay. So now we would have downloaded Python 5 from Python official website and install directly from there. But according to the suggestions from experienced Python programmers, they came up with this comment that downloading Python directly from Python official website tends to bring some challenges when you want to upgrade that current Python version to a newer Python version. So they highly recommend, if you want to install any Python version into your Linux operating system, go ahead and use the PPA repository, and that is what we are going to use in this video. So in order for us to do this, if you didn't open this terminal, go ahead and open this terminal and be sure that the name of your system, as you can see here in my own case, is displayed and this $sign is here. Now the first thing we want to do here is we want to add the repository to among the repositories that is already in our system. So in order for us to do this, we can go ahead and type sudo, and again I have included all the lines of code I am using here in the description box below. Just copy and paste in order for you to save time. So in my case, I will just go ahead and type it out, which is sudo add apt repository and PPA, because that's the name of the repository. That's next /PPA, and hit on enter. Once your computer prompts you for the user's password, go ahead and type your computer's user's password. So I will just do that in my own case like this and hit on enter and wait, give it some time for the repository to be added among all the repositories. In this case, it's asking me to press on the enter for it to continue, or hit on Ctrl+C to cancel the process. Since I don't want to cancel, I want it to continue, I will hit on enter for it to continue the process. So just give it a little time and the repository key is going to be added successfully. Okay, so the key has been added successfully. So the next thing that we are going to do here is to update and refresh all the repositories in our Ubuntu operating system. So we can simply do this by typing sudo apt update like this and click on enter, and immediately all our repositories are going to be updated with that command. So once all the repositories have been successfully updated, the next thing that we will go ahead and do is just to type this command, which is sudo apt install Python. Then you give the Python version. In my case is Python 3.9, like this. That is what I want to install. So I will just type this and hit on enter. Just give it a little time. It's going to run and it's going to show you successfully installed. Now in my case, if you look at my terminal, I am having Python 3.9 is already the newest version, okay, and that I have already installed this. As you can see here, 0 newly installed, because I already have this version of Python installed on my computer. So once you have successfully installed on your computer, congratulations, your desired version of Python has been installed on your Ubuntu system. Now, in order for you to check and be sure that desired Python version installed, now you can go ahead and just type this command Python 3.9. That is what we install, and just type the version like this. As you can see here, that version of Python we just installed, as you can see, is showing up now, which is Python 3.9.7. You can even launch it, and Python 3.9, let us launch it. As you can see, Python 3.9 has been opened for us, so we can go ahead and just type any Python code. Let me just type something out like message welcome to Python. Okay, hit on enter and print message like this, and hit. As you can see here, the message has been printed for us successfully, for you to confirm that Python 3.9 version has been installed correctly on your Ubuntu system. So in order for you to exit out from this Python shell, you can go ahead and type exit like this, and hit on enter, and you have successfully out from the Python shell. So you can exit the terminal by typing exit like this and click on enter. Automatically that goes away. And that's how you can install any version of Python on your Linux machine. Subscribe to the channel and click the like button if you find this video helpful. Turn up your post on notification icon so that each time I post a new video like this, you will be notified to always come check on it. Okay, so with that being said, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.